Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by ensuring your iPhone 11 has the latest iOS and that you're signed into the Apple ID tied to Game Center. Once done, go directly to Settings, scroll to Game Center, and tap it. This opens your nickname and profile options. Make sure cellular or Wi-Fi is active so changes sync. Now tap your current nickname to edit. You're starting the change process itself, so type the new name you want and pause to check availability and allowed characters. After entering the new nickname, you should verify why specific characters matter. Game Center enforces length limits and blocks some symbols to avoid profanity or impersonation. If it rejects the name, tweak it by removing special characters or shortening it, then hit Save or Done. Once you save, the system tries to sync with iCloud, so watch for any spinning icon or confirmation text. If you have multiple devices, make sure they're connected so the new nickname propagates across them automatically. To complete the process, open a Game Center-enabled app and confirm your new nickname appears. This is the practical verification. If the nickname still shows the old name in some apps, go back to Settings, right arrow Game Center to double-check. Make sure iCloud and Internet are active, then sign out of Game Center and sign back in to force a resync. If problems persist, restart the iPhone 11. This simple step often clears caching issues, so the updated name displays correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.